Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. Deferring taxes can be a powerful investment decision. The dollars that would have gone to paying taxes remain in your account, which means more money working for your potential returns. Here's how it works. Say you invest $10,000 a year in a taxable account earning 6%, and your tax rate is 25%. After 20 years, your account would be worth nearly $300,000, a good amount. But the same money put in a tax-deferred account would be worth nearly $390,000, $60,000 more. That's one of the reasons why 401k plans are so popular. Combining tax-free contributions with tax-free growth can be a great long-term strategy. Other accounts also let you delay paying taxes. Individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, allow money to accumulate tax-deferred. At last check, 64% of households with annual incomes of $200,000 or more have at least one IRA. Roth IRAs don't offer tax-free contributions, but they do offer tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals. Created in 1988, their popularity is increasing. In fact, nearly 40% of households owning accounts have opened them since 2002. Annuity contracts also offer tax-deferred growth, and contributions are made with after-tax dollars. A review of your unique situation would help determine if one is suitable. Put the power of tax deferral to work for you. Call today. We can review your retirement strategy. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to reach out to me with any questions. Thank you and have a great day.